What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Lauren Miller. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get this rose gold eyeshadow look. Let's get started. To start, I went in and primed my face with Neutrogena's Shine Control Primer. I think it's super important to prime your face to have your makeup last longer throughout your day, and for me specifically, to help control my oily skin. For foundation, I used CoverGirl's Clean Oil Control Foundation in the shade Soft Honey, number 555. I blended the product in with a beauty blender and focused on my under eyes and my nose because I tend to build up more oil throughout the day there. I always set my face with my favorite setting powder by Makeup Forever. The shade number is 110 and is a must-have. Too Faced is one of my favorite makeup companies, and I use their medium deep matte bronzer to contour my face. I applied CoverGirl's Ready Set Gorgeous under my bronzer to define my cheekbones better. I also let the product set for a while before blending in. I took Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Virginity to give a natural look to my cheeks. The pigmentation in this product is very bright and pink, and I thought it went super well with the rose gold eyeshadow look. I also highlighted my cheekbones and nose with Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade French Kiss. For my brows, I wanted to switch things up and use ColourPop's brow pencil and brow gel to set them in place. The brow pencil is in the shade light brown, and I just filled them in and set them with gel. For my eyes, I used 3 different palettes. I used the Royal Peach palette by Kylie Cosmetics, I used Yes Please by ColourPop, and I tried out a new palette by Clinique. I set my eyes with Full Zip from the Yes Please palette, and then I used Champs from the same palette and mixed it with Crush from the Royal Peach palette. Finally, I deepened the pink by using Sunset Glow from Clinique. Lastly, I applied Butter Cake on my eyelids to give a nice shimmer look. To tie this look together, I used Buxom's lip gloss in the shade Lauren. Yes, it does have the same name as me, and I am obsessed with this product. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and also let me know down below what you guys want to see next. I'll see you next week.